Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Official, the podcast where learning English feels simple, natural, and stress-free. I'm your host, James.
And I'm Lima. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Lima, today's episode is very special.
Yes, James. Today we're doing something our listeners always ask for.
That's right. Today is our daily routine masterclass.
Which means we'll practice English from the moment you wake up.
Until the moment you go to sleep.
Real English, daily English. The kind of English people actually use every day.
And if you're a beginner, don't worry.
We'll speak slowly, clearly, and naturally.
So relax. Take a deep breath.
And let's start your day in English.
Lima, let's start with the morning. What's the first thing you say when you wake up?
Honestly, I usually say good morning.
Simple and perfect. Let's give our listeners 3 common morning phrases. Morning phrases. Good morning. I just woke up. I need to get ready.
Let's use them in a short conversation.
Good morning, Lima.
Good morning, James. I just woke up.
Same here. I need to get ready for the day.
Me too. It's going to be a busy morning.
Now let's slow it down and repeat together.
Everyone listening, say it with us.
Good morning. I just woke up. I need to get ready.
Great job. After waking up, what's next, Lima?
I go to the bathroom, brush my teeth, and get dressed.
Perfect. Here are 3 very common phrases. Morning activity phrases. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting dressed. I'm having breakfast.
James, are you ready?
Almost. I'm brushing my teeth. Okay.
I'm getting dressed.
What about breakfast?
I'm having breakfast now. Just some toast and tea.
Notice something important?
Yes. We're using I'm plus verbing.
That's present continuous.
It's perfect for daily routines. Now repeat with us. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting dressed. I'm having breakfast.
Now it's time to leave the house.
This is very useful English for daily life. Leaving home phrases. I'm leaving the house. I'm on my way. I'm running late.
Lima, are you still at home?
No, I'm leaving the house now.
Okay. I'm already on my way.
Sorry, I'm running late today.
That's okay. Take your time.
This kind of English is very practical.
Yes. People use these phrases every single day.
Repeat after us. I'm leaving the house. I'm on my way. I'm running late.
Now let's talk about work or study.
Even if you don't work in an office, this English is still useful. Work and study phrases. I'm at work. I have a meeting. I'm busy right now. James, can you talk?
Not right now. I'm at work.
Oh, okay. Are you busy?
Yes, I have a meeting.
No problem. Talk later.
Short sentences, clear meaning.
That's how native speakers talk.
Repeat with us. I'm at work. I have a meeting. I'm busy right now. Now it's lunchtime.
Everyone loves lunch. Lunch phrases. I'm taking a break. I'm having lunch. Let's eat together.
Hey, Lima, what are you doing?
I'm taking a break. I'm having lunch.
Nice. Let's eat together tomorrow.
Sure, that sounds good.
Very friendly English.
Very natural.
Repeat with us. I'm taking a break and I'm having lunch. Let's eat together. After lunch, we go back to work or study.
Sometimes we feel tired. Afternoon phrases. I'm feeling tired. I need some coffee. I'm working on it. James, how are you feeling?
Honestly, I'm feeling tired.
Me too. I need some coffee.
Same here. But don't worry, I'm working on it.
These phrases are very common.
Repeat with us. I'm feeling tired. I need some coffee. I'm working on it. Now the day is almost over.
It's evening. Evening phrases. I'm heading home. What's for dinner? I'm relaxing now.
Lima, where are you?
I'm heading home.
Nice. What's for dinner?
I'm not sure, but I'm relaxing now.
Repeat together. I'm heading home. What's for dinner? I'm relaxing now. Finally, nighttime.
Time to rest. Night phrases. I'm getting sleepy. I'm going to bed. Good night.
Shadowing speaking practice. Before we start, let me explain how to use this lesson.
This is a shadowing workout.
That means you will listen, pause, and repeat.
Don't think.
Don't translate.
Just copy the sound. Copy the rhythm.
If you make mistakes, that's okay.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
Let's begin.
Good morning.
I just woke up.
I need to get ready.
Good morning. I just woke up.
I'm brushing my teeth.
I'm getting dressed. I'm having breakfast.
What are you doing?
I'm brushing my teeth.
Okay. I'm getting dressed.
I'm leaving the house.
I'm on my way.
I'm running late.
Where are you?
I'm on my way.
I'm at work.
I have a meeting.
I'm busy right now.
Can you talk?
Sorry, I'm busy right now. I'm taking a break.
I'm having lunch.
Let's eat together.
I'm feeling tired.
I need some coffee.
I'm working on it.
I'm heading home.
I'm relaxing now.
Good morning. I just woke up. I need to get ready. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm having breakfast. I'm leaving the house. I'm on my way. I'm at work. I'm busy right now. I'm taking a break. I'm feeling tired. I'm heading home. I'm relaxing now. I'm going to bed. Good night.
Amazing job.
If you repeated the sentences, you are improving.
Practice this every day,
Your brain will stop translating.
and English will feel natural.
One small step at a time.
If you enjoyed this daily routine masterclass,
Please subscribe to Smart English Official
like this episode,
and share it with someone learning English.
I'm getting sleepy.
Okay. Good night, Lima.
See you in the next episode.